some of this now.
All right, cool. I'm lit.
How's it hitting?
I say this hit on the Godfather scale. It don't burn your throat at all. This shit is just perfect, straight, smooth, every pull. That's how I say. How your shit hitting, Jerry?
This shit tastes tasty. Nice, perfect, blunt action right there. You see that? You see that just flowing of smoke?
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Set off the smoke alarm. All right. That was fast.
I set up the smoke alarm.
All right, Melissa. Ladies
My blunt's so good, I set up the smoke alarm.
Ladies first. Ladies first.